So boom, the gig has been finally published inside my Fiverr UK seller account successful using this method. Hello, you are welcome. My name is Kevin. In today's video, I want to show you how to create a gig in your Fiverr UK seller account. So if you have a UK Fiverr account and you want to know exactly how to create a gig, how to set up the gig the correct way, and is it get approved, this is the correct video for you, because I will set up a gig live right now in this video, so that you kind of know the process on how to do it the correct way. And that is it. That is exactly what I'm going to do in this video. So you need to stick around as I walk you through the process. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So smash the like button of this video and subscribe to the channel and open your UK Fiverr seller account. So this is the part 3 video in the series on how to create a UK Fiverr seller account. Part 1 and part 2, I will link it in the description of this video, and also it will pop up right now in the cart. So right now, once you are inside your UK Fiverr seller account and you want to create a gig, what you have to, so first let me show you inside my account here. So here, as you can see here, I am inside my UK Fiverr seller account and I'm going to create a gig right now. So what I need to do, as you can see here, so what I need to do is to click on my profile icon here, and I click on become a seller. So first let me show you my profile so that you see that this is a UK Fiverr account, and you can see here from United Kingdom, and the member since November 2022. So this is it, and what I have to do is to, as you can see here, active gigs. It seems that you don't have any active gig, so what I have to do is to click on create a new gig, because that is what exactly exactly what I'm doing in the video, creating a gig inside UK Fiverr seller account. So once you click on your profile and then click on you will see here create a new gig, you just simply click on it and you begin the process. So let me click on it right now. So I click and what I have to do is to enter the gig title. I will write SEO optimized article and blog post. So this is the title. I will write SEO optimized article and blog post. Here, as this category will be on writing and translation, and here the subcategory will be on article and blog post. So in your case, if you have if you have any other service you are offering, select it here, but in my case this is what I will go for now. So here I need to select the gig metadata, the topic. Here let me select article type, click on it, and I select here informational, affiliate marketing, and research article. So here I click on tone and I select professional, educational, technical. Okay, I think let me go for education. So here I select topic, and here I scroll. I think let me go for business, finance, health, fitness. So or rest is, let me go for with this one. So I scroll down for this. So once I scroll down, this is metadata that I just fill in. What I need to do is to scroll down and here search data. So let me type article writer, blog post, and let me click on continue after filling it in. So let me click on continue, and here I need to select, I think, language. You can select on language, and I select English. So this is English, and I scroll down now and I click on save and continue, and we are good to go. So in the second page here, pricing. So what I have to do is to enter the pricing information. This is the top of this, I think Let me click on got it. So here what I have to do here real quick is to enter the pricing information. So here I just name this basic. So basic. So here I need to turn off this offer packages. So in this case, if you are offering like a $10 blog post, $25 blog post, $30 blog post, like different packages, if I enter offering different packages, you turn this on. As it is on by default, you just leave it. But for me, I don't want to offer like a $10, $20, $30 package for the start right now. So what I have to do is to turn it off. Let me go with just one package, which I have called basic, and here I will write 1000 words SEO optimized article. That is for this here. The delivery time will be, let me use 3 days, and you enter the delivery time that you are sure that you will deliver within. So here the revision I will use, let me use 2 revision, and here I will scroll down and enter the pricing. So I will go with 20 USD, $20. So here I scroll down again, and okay, I think the pricing is going down. So I will go with 20 like this. I click out the screen, total 20, and I uncheck this. Scroll down again, uncheck this. Scroll down again, and see, I need to uncheck this because I don't want to fill out this extra services info. And once I'm done with that, I click on save and continue. And once I click on save and continue, the overview and parsing is done. What I have to do now is to enter the description and the farm. So here I will write let me use this in cap. Write SEO optimized article and blog post 1000 words content. So description, this is it. You can write the detailed description here. I will write SEO optimized article and blog post 1000 words content, fully optimized that we rank on Google search results. So this is the description. So I click out the box and scroll down here. What I have to do now, after writing the description here, I enter at least one fan. So if you're enjoying the video, hit the like button. So I enter frequently asked question. I add one. So let me just use how many was. I write 1000. So this is it. Very simple, right? So I scroll down and click on add. So I click on add right now. I have added it. I click on save and continue. And I think you can see this is getting this is very easy, right? Here requirements. I add requirements. I think get all the information. Let me click on save and continue. So I need to add new question. Get all the information you need from your buyer. So what I have to do is to what is the niche and topic of, okay, let me do this. What is the topic of the article you want you want, what's the topic of the article you want. So that is the article you will be writing on the topic. So here, get it in form of, so here I click on add real quick, and I click on save and continue, and we are getting there, guys. So how to get most from your gig image. So next thing is to enter gig image. I think I will use a random image here because this is for me to show you guys sample on how to do it. All right, so in your case, you design a very eye-catching image. That's a fiverr gig image, and I will use it. All right, so here I will use just a screenshot that I have took that is in my PC here. What I have to do is to select the image right now, and I click here. I click on browse, and select just one image that I took. So let me use this one random. So I think let me use this image like this. In your case, you design a one that is going to be converting well, and use it. Here I click on save and continue. This is just for me walking you guys through the steps on how to do that, how to create a gig in your UK Fiverr seller account. So this gig it will be greatest for without Fiverr disapproving it, because if you are doing it the correct way, it will work. So let me click here. You are almost there. You just need to complete the following requirement to start selling. So here I need to take a test. So as a new Fiverr seller, Fiverr want to test your English skills. As you can see here, English skills. So they want to test you. So here I need to take the test, and let's check if you need to fill out the online form. So here I need to take the test, and what I have to do is to click on take test, and it will take at least I think around 40 minutes or so. So as you can see here, duration 40 minutes. So this test will take 40 minutes. So what is right here is they will be asking you questions, and you will be answering it. At the end of the day, you pass it, and that is it. You continue to finally create the gig. So what I have to do is to start the test now, right now. So I click on start test, and let's get it going. And here, this is a protected test. So here, session 1, question 1 out of 40, session 1. So here, fill in the blank with a correct word. Either we will win, or we will go home in this case. Either way, we win. So no. So here I will pause this video, and take this test, and continue. So let's continue. So this is the last question out of the 40 questions in the test. So here, question 40 out of 40. So here, when I graduated from college, I had moved to New York City. I moved to New York City. When I graduated from college, I moved to New York City. So here I click on end test. So here, are you sure I want to end the test? I think yeah. I think this is the last one. I click on end, yes. So let's see the score here. Congratulations, you passed the test. So you may take the test when eligible. I think I passed it. So that is it. I've taken the test, and I am good to go. So let me check here. 26 out of 40 is a pass. Okay. So right now, continue and provide feedback. Continue without providing feedback. So let me continue here. So I just use excellent, and here thank for and back to Fiverr. So right now I've taken the test. So now let's go and set up the key completely. So let me click on back here. You are almost there. So here you can see the skill test has been taken, and here I just need to select, are you a US person? I click on no. Confirm that all the services I offer are performed while outside the US. So right now, what I have to do is to click on save, and you are all done. I click on close here. I think it is time to publish a gig. So what I have to do now is to click on publish gig. Watch it. This gig will be published inside this 𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗹 account easily, and I click on it. Boom. Watch it. Boom. You can see it has been published successful. So this is very easy, right? This is very easy, right? Your gig is open for business. Spread the word to boost your sales. So gig is published, very easy. So boom, the gig has been finally published inside my Fiverr UK seller account successful using this method. It is very simple. So what I have to do is to click on done, and let's check if the gig will be active or it has been suspended. So here you can see active one, it is active, and you can see it here. So why I am saying let's check it to see if it's active is because most people are having issue after creating a gig. The profile will say they will not approve their profile, so you can see it. Let me click on profile, check the gig page, and you will see that the gig will be right there. So let me click here, profile, and let's check it here. So you can see it here, $20. So that is very good, right? That is very, very, very good. So you can see it starting at $20. You can see it right here. So that is very simple. So one thing, so if you're enjoying the video, give it a like. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will really, really appreciate it. Subscribe right now. Subscribe, and let me show you this. So right now I use a Windows VPS. This is a Windows computer based in the United Kingdom. So this is not my local computer. If I go to 𝗀𝗏.net like this, and it will load, it will show you that my content is a UK here. You can see it's my IP address here, and this is not a VPN. This is a dedicated VPS server, 𝗨𝗏𝗁 server. So virtual private server. As you can see here, Europe or London is my time zone, and once I scroll down, you see that the London is my state here. Let me show you this real quick. So London is the host, England. You can see here, England, London. So that is it. So using England, London, using this VPS, you can create a Fiverr seller account, get a gig without Fiverr disapproving your profile. So this is what I've been using, and it was great. I have used it to get a US Fiverr seller account and get a gig successful. If you have not seen that and you are interested, check my recent video in my channel. All right, so this you have to create a gig inside the Fiverr UK seller account successful. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. I make it and subscribe so that in my next video you get notified about it. Thank you so much, and that's it. So check the first and the second videos in the series on how to get this UK Fiverr sell account. Starting from the first and second video in the series, I showed you how to create the account first and how to verify phone number. In this third one in the series, I created a gig successful. So check the description of the video, and watch the part 1 and part 2, and you can also click here to watch the part 1 and part 2. Thank you.